Today on Ostentatious, we're going to make an attempt to get this thing up on the driveway. Hey everybody, it's Jack from Ostentatious here. I wanted to thank y'all for coming here today and watching this video so far. I want to ask you guys, if you liked the video, just go ahead and tap on that thumbs up at the bottom. Maybe drop a comment about what you liked about it. If you don't like it, that's okay. Give me a thumbs down. Drop me a comment on what you didn't like. Maybe we can change some things. If you do like what's going on, maybe consider subscribing to the channel so you can see future content, and also hit that notification bell. Choose all notifications. That way you know when a new video comes out. Here's what I'm thinking. If you come over here and take a look, I've got the wheels under all four corners of this, and you really can't get jack stands or any kind of wheel dollies or anything in this mud. So what I'm going to try is, I've noticed that if I try to pick this frame up, I can pick the truck up. And this side not so much over here as that side, but if you come back here and look, this side is higher off the ground with a rock under it. The side that I can't lift up is closer to the ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these back two wheels under the frame. I'm gonna put them on the Blazer, since being higher in the air, for some reason leverages it more. It makes absolutely no sense to me, but science, I guess. Whatever. And we're gonna see if I can figure out how to ease it back and forth till the wheels are on the driveway. And if I'm able to wheelbarrow it like I did in the front there on both sides with it on the driveway, I'll be able to just ease it around here, and work will be a lot easier on this thing. Well, apparently I was right about the science, because now that we have the back wheels on it, we can't budge that front end, which in a way kind of makes sense. I mean, I was thinking with the axle higher in the air, why are we able to lift the front with leverage? If it were lower, it would be easier. So I've got to rethink this. This is a really bad idea. Don't ever do this. So I've got the rear end jacked up on ramps, and it's not even touching the ramps right now. I've got to set it back down. But here's my thought. Let's set on these ramps. Let's raise the front end up. That may not work. Okay, hopefully when I set it down, I'll have enough room to put a jack under the cross member. Jack it up. It'll slide back some. It may fall out from underneath the jack mat. That's okay. And we'll just wash and rinse and repeat until we get it where we need it. This is working. And the way I see it, once I get it so far back, I can just get some wheel dollies and put under the frame and right around. All right, instead of days, weeks, months, or years, these tires, they've got dirt in the beads of them. And, well, I'm just not gonna go get it taken care of. But I gotta air these up again because of that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on that side over there, because the Blazer needs to come like this. And that side didn't move. So I wanna focus on getting that side back and back and back until it turns. And when it starts turning, that's gonna start getting this into gravel, and this will probably go a little bit better then. All right, so here's what I'm doing. There are points at which that center horn are high enough for me to get the jack under. When it is, I'm getting under the edge of it and letting it slide back off of it, and it's sliding off the wrench, which you can see I'm making some good progress here. But when I can't get it under here, I just go under one of these radiator support mounts. Now, obviously, I've knocked some dirt out of it, so I gotta re-clean that. That's okay. The bottom of the frame still has to be painted. So we're getting this slowly but surely. All right, so here's a demonstration. I'm under one of those radiator supports. Here's the vehicle in the back. My girlfriend's helping us out here. So as you can see, it's slowly going back. little at a time. And there we go. All right, I left a big mud pile in my yard. It's gonna have to grow back, but we are officially on the concrete for the first time in probably 15 years. So now basically what we have to do with it is we're gonna have to dolly that front end around, get some of those little dolly skate things from the Harbor Freight and slap under the back wheels, pull the back around here, put the front end there. That way when we yank the toaster over here, we can just go ahead and put them front to front and transfer the motor and transmission. Good to go. All right, now I think we can continue now that we can hear ourselves. So I went to the Harbor Freight and got these little 1,000-pound dollies. Now, I know they make wheel dollies, but I wasn't paying $55 today for those. Those were $13 a piece. They work just fine. By the way, credit where credit's due. I got the idea for those from Derek from Vice Grip Garage when he moved his Corvette, but that's neither here nor there. And guys, I took those, put them under the rear wheels, used the jack in the front. Don't ever do that. You can get severely hurt or killed doing that. And for the first time in 15 years, at least, the Blazer is where it needs to be to work on it. Now progress can commence. So thanks for watching the video. Guys, if you like it, as I say, hit the like button. Tell me why you liked it. Hit the don't like if you don't like it. Just tell me why if you don't like it. That's all I ask. Share this video with others. Thank you guys for watching Ostentatious, and have a great week.